Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious mouth-watering egusi pepper soup that you can eat with starch, pounded yam, and you can also eat this soup with rice if you like. This soup is so yummy. If you want to see how I make this, keep watching guys, keep watching, and you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. Let's get cooking. Inside this pot I have my goat meat, smoked turkey, and shaki that I've already washed and cleaned. Okay, then I also have my smoked fish that I'll be using. You can use any fish of your choice. Still going to be adding fresh fish, which is croaker fish. Okay, you can use any other fish. You can use tilapia. Then I also have dry fish that I will be using also. Then I have shrimps and crayfish that I will be blending the crayfish, and this is my dry pepper that I will be blending into a powder form, and this is my egusi, or you can call it melon seed. Okay, now I have my pepper soup spice, no seasoning, and salt to taste. Okay, in this pot what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of dry pepper. Okay, I've already blend my dry pepper off camera. If you want to cook this soup for a better result, use dry pepper. Okay, dry pepper is the best. Then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of no seasoning also. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I will stir it together. Then I will cover it, allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not going to add water. I'm just going to allow it to simmer with for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, thank you so much everyone for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV, and please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support. Okay guys, while the meat is cooking, I went ahead and toast my melon seed. Okay, the best result, if you want to have that yummy egusi pepper soup, you have to do this process. Okay, you have to roast your egusi seed for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it will help bring out the flavor. Okay, I'm going to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll turn the stove off. Okay, now it is 10 minutes later. I'm checking back on my meat. Then I'm going to add water. Okay, I'm just going to add about 2 cups of water to the meat. I'll give it a quick stir. I'll stir it together. Then I'm going to add in my dry fish. Okay, because that fish is a little bit strong. I went ahead and debone the fish because of the kids. I don't want them to eat a bone. I went ahead and debone the fish. Now I also added my shrimps. Okay, my smoked shrimps. Then I'll just give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to add in my croaker fish. Then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook for about another 5 to 10 minutes. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my egusi with our crayfish. Okay, as you can see, I have my egusi seed and my crayfish. I'll blend it so that it will be well smooth. Okay, then after blending it, I'll keep it aside. Now it is 10 minutes later. I'm just going to take out the fish. Okay, because I don't want the fish to break before the soup is ready. I'm just going to take it out. Okay. Then after taking out the fish, I'm going to add in my pepper soup spice, because we are cooking egusi pepper soup and we have to have our pepper soup spice to it. After adding the pepper soup spice, I went ahead and add more dry pepper, because I want it to be very hot. I want my egusi to be spicy and hot. After adding the pepper soup spice and the dry pepper, I cover it up. I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before I will add in my blended egusi with crayfish. I'm just going to rinse my blender with some water, then I will pour it to it, then I will mix it very well and make sure I mix it very well. The next step is for me to add in my fish that I've already deboned the fish. I make sure I took out all the bones from the smoked fish. Then now I'm going to add in my pre-cooked croaker fish that I've cooked earlier, and make sure I do this gently. I stir it gently so that I'm not going to break the fish. I'm adding in a little bit of salt, because I tasted it for salt. I needed to add salt. Then I'm just going to cover to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes later. Look at our soup. It's looking good. It's looking yummy. The aroma is so good. It smells so yummy and delicious. I'm just going to stir it. I'm just going to do it with care. You know, you have to be gentle. You have to pamper the soup, okay? Because that fish is so precious. You don't want to scatter your fish. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. As I said earlier, if today is your first time of coming across my video, and please subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate every one of you. Now I just cover it. I like to simmer for about a minute or two. Our soup is ready. This soup, you don't have to allow it to be too thick, because it's pepper soup. You want it to be a little bit light, okay? This is the way I like it. You can make it more thicker. It all depends on your choice, okay? At this point, our soup is ready. Our egusi pepper soup is ready, guys. This soup was so good. It was so yummy, guys. It was so delicious. As you can see, there's the consistency I want it, okay? Now, what I'm going to do, of course, we have to make our starch, okay? What are we going to eat this soup with? We are eating this soup with starch and blended ripe plantain, which the Ichekiri people called Egwobobo. Okay, if you are from Delta State, if you know, you guys eat starch with ripe plantain, leave it in the comment section, okay? This is starch mixed with ripe plantain. Egwobobo. This is very good. It's very delicious. If you try this, oh God, you will not go back to regular starch. Okay. At this point, I'm just going to put a herbal grease. This is a good workout, okay? And make sure I turn it very well so that there will be no lump, okay? You don't want any lump in your starch, okay? As you can see, it's almost getting ready. Just gonna keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Look at it, guys. The color is so good. You can also eat this soup, egusi pepper soup with pounded yam, okay? You can eat egusi pepper soup with rice also, okay? Any swallow of your choice, you can eat the soup with it, okay? But today we are eating our egusi pepper soup with egwobobo, okay? Now our starch is ready. It's time for me to put it inside a plastic wrap. I will just wrap it to the size I want. Okay, guys, our starch is ready. Now it's time to serve the soup, okay? Guys, look at the soup. Look at our egusi soup. Are you guys hungry? I am a cheerful giver, guys. I'm going to post yours, okay? Just send me your address. I'll post your soup to you. Thank you so much, everyone, for the love, for the support, for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. I really appreciate the love, the support that you guys give me all the time. Words are not enough for me to say thank you. Thank you all for watching my video. And please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share, because sharing is scary, okay? Look at the soup, guys. It was so spicy. It was so yummy. It was so delicious, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. And if you are watching from my Facebook page, please don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page, okay? I love you guys. Our soup is ready. It's time for me to go and eat. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. One love.